Redeeming Amazon points for cash is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Visit the Amazon website and log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, go to your account section. Depending on the type of rewards you have, you may find your rewards balance under different headings, such as Amazon Rewards or your payments. View your points or rewards balance. Locate the section that displays your points or rewards balance. Here, you should be able to see how many points you have accumulated. Look for an option to redeem your points for cash or statement credit. This option may be labeled as Redeem Points, Rewards, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Within the redemption options, choose the Cash Redemption or Statement Credit option. This typically allows you to convert your points into a cash value that can be applied towards your Amazon purchases or as a statement credit to your credit card account. Follow the prompts to confirm your cash redemption request. You may be asked to specify the amount of cash you wish to redeem or to confirm the redemption terms. Before finalizing the redemption, review the details to ensure accuracy. Pay attention to any applicable fees, redemption thresholds, or processing times. Once you're satisfied with the redemption details, proceed to complete the redemption process. This may involve confirming your request and waiting for the redemption to be processed. After the redemption is processed, the cash value of your points should be applied either as a credit to your Amazon account or as a statement credit to your linked credit card account, depending on the redemption option you selected.